So taking it apart is very simple. These just pop out. You can see the new legs on the new upgraded version of this. There's a tab you got to push in to get them out. These have like a spring-loaded catch there that holds them in. So I find that a lot easier. So that's those, and to get these base legs off, you press in on the two knobs on the side. It releases that mechanism there, and then adjust like that, and then just put that in, pop it out in, and Velcro around like so.